Hello students. Now we are going to learn about that rolling friction. Rolling friction. Now consider one big object. Okay, big object. Okay, so it having more mass. Yeah. Okay, for example, if you having 500 kilogram. Okay, so it having 500 kilogram. So it will be kept in a place on it will be there in a one surface. Okay, we want to shift that object from here to here. Okay, we want to shift the object from A to B. A in a place we want to shift to B. Okay, what we can do? So what we can do? Now we can giving that one amount of force. Okay, we can give the external force. So external force if you giving that. So is it not possible to moving by using external force? Okay. Suppose if you give that external force means it needs more amount of force. Okay. It needs more amount of force. So in more amount of force is it not possible? Okay. So how to shift? Okay, we can think it over. Okay, we can think it. How to shift? Now, I can fix that 2 wheels or 3 wheels. Okay, I can fix that wheels. Now, I can fix that wheel. After fix that wheels, I can give a very small amount of force. It's needed. It's enough. Okay, so it's a small amount of force. It's enough to shift from A to B. That object will be comes to here. Okay. So why? What is that? Why? What is the reason? Okay. So why? What is the reason? When you fix that wheel, it is easy to shift from one place to another place. Why? Because this is the wheel contact. Okay. So this is the wheel. That wheel will be at contact with this surface. That wheel is contact with this surface. Okay. So that wheel whenever that wheel comes to contact with the surface area, contact with the surface. Okay. So that time that point of wheel is rest. That time that point of wheel is at rest. So that time no relative motion. No relative motion. If there is no relative motion, what happened? The friction is less. No relative motion, friction is less. So friction less means we can easily shift from one place to another place. Okay, do you understand? So if you giving that, if you fix that wheel, so that wheel whenever comes to contact of the surface, okay, so that point is alone rest. Okay, so that time that no relative motion of that wheel and the surface. Okay, there is no relative motion of wheel and the surface. So that point there is no friction. Okay, so no friction means it is easy to shift. No friction means we can giving very less amount of force, easily shift from one place to another place. Okay, do you understand? Okay. Then next, what is rolling friction? Okay, what is rolling friction? In ideal rolling, no friction. Okay, in ideal rolling, no relative motion. So friction is no friction. But in practical, okay, this is the one car is there. Okay, in practical, that car having 4 wheels. Okay, that wheel will be contact with the surface. So what happened in nature, elastic nature? Okay, elastic nature, the wheel will be deformed. Okay, like this. So wheel is in circular, but after contact that force, that wheel will be like this. Okay, deformed. So deformation means it creates some amount of force. Okay, friction force. So that friction force is called as a rolling friction. Okay, you understand? That wheel will be deformation because due to nature of elasticity. So like this. Deform. Okay. So deformation means the wheel will be deformation due to elastic nature. So it creates some friction. So that friction is called as a rolling friction. Okay. Do you understand, ma? Okay. Then next one topic, methods to reduce the friction. Okay. Methods to reduce the friction. How to reduce the friction? So friction is more advantages. Both friction have both advantage and disadvantage. Methods of reducing friction. Friction having both advantages and disadvantage. First, what are the advantages? Without friction, we can't walking. Okay. Without friction, we can't riding a bicycle or car or any vehicle. Okay, do you understand? Huh? So if you are, so this is the one smoothless. Okay, smooth surface. Then smooth surface you put a oil also. Okay, if you able to walk this floor, are you able to walk this floor? No, because there is no friction. No friction means you can't able to walk. Okay, so what are the first advantage? So first advantage, walking on the floor or walking on any surface by using that friction. And second one, riding the vehicle. Okay, riding the vehicle, the wheel having some wheel is rotating. Okay, so suppose if there is no friction means we can't control our car. Okay, so some friction is there, so only we can control that car or vehicle. Okay, then next one, third one application, applying brake. We want to stop that vehicle means you can apply the brake. So how is it is working? By due to that friction only that vehicle will be stopped. Okay, so these are all the advantage of friction in day-to-day life. Okay, then next, what is the disadvantage? What is the disadvantage? In industries having so many machinery items, then machinery having so many inner parts. That inner parts are contact with the other parts. Okay, all that inner parts are contact with the others. So this is the one machinery system. So it having so many inner parts. The inner parts having contact with the others only. Okay, so contact with the others means it will be due to friction. It will be create heat. Okay, due to friction there is a form. It will be form a heat energy. Okay, if heat energy is formed, it means that efficiency of system will be lost. Okay, heat energy is formed means efficiency of system is lost. Okay, efficiency will be less. And the percentage we need the efficiency means due to heat energy we can get only 60% energy. Okay, so 60% of efficiency only we can get. So remaining 40% it will be full of waste and it will in the formation of heat energy. Okay, so how to avoid this? How to avoid this? So first we can using that lubricants. We can using lubricants. So lubricants reduce the friction between, avoid or lubricants reduce the friction between inner parts. Okay, then next one, ball bearing. Ball bearing அப்படினா, so this is the so ஃபுல்லா வந்து இந்த பால் ராஸ் குண்டா இருக்கும், பார்த்திருப்பேன்னு நினைக்கிறேன், சைக்கிள் எல்லாம் இருக்கும், சரியா? So on the ball bearings it is reduce the friction. So these are all the methods of reducing friction. Okay.